These little guys are crazy. It doesn't matter if I use 2 plates, different size plates. They still jump right in the plate. Oh, yeah. Calm down now that you got some food in your bellies. You're not going crazy for breakfast. And this little guy keeps scaling my big cages. Crazy, you're covered in food now. Rambo. John Rambo. Goodness. Yeah. So the 2 with the feistiest personalities that we've learned so far are the 2 that are still in the food dish. The dark one's the girl Nala. The mostly orange one with white is John Rambo, or Rambo. The 2 quietest, most loving, want to cuddle more. They all want to cuddle. Is John Wayne is the most loving. Right now he just wants to be held and need his little muffins and go to sleep. Right in line behind him is John Wick. Mr. Wick is not very wicky. He's pretty gentle. I know, I knocked it over. Look at the mess. Look at the mess. You want to eat and then be held right away, Mr. Wayne. Look at the mess. You see, Nala's gonna make sure it's all gone. Yes, you're already closing your eyes, Mr. Wayne. You're already closing your eyes. I know, we gotta clean up your stuff. Yes, we do. Rambo. Those are 2 craziest ones of the litter. Mr. Wick, are you sitting in the dustpan? Oh, Mr. Wayne, you's okay. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. You're a little covered in food. Which is a little bit of everywhere. Until we learn we're not going to miss a meal. You're not outside anymore. You're inside, kitties. Look at that, Rambo says. Nala will fight over the last little bit. You guys got to be good. Be good. Yeah. Mr. Wayne, you are dirty. Nala, your belly looks full, baby. Okay. Now everybody's going to want to be held. And they need clean. Yeah. And you pretty much wiped it out. You did. To Mr. Wick. John Wick. So, Nala. You's a piggy. Push them boys out of the way. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. We're gonna get cleaned up. Clean out your litter box from your poopies last night. Yeah. Clean up your mess over there. Yeah. Yeah. With them cute babies. Huh, Mr. Wayne? Because you're already sleepy. You just woke up. Yeah, we don't have table manners yet. We don't have table manners yet. Hey, Mr. Wick. Rambo, you covered in food too, baby. Okay, say bye-bye.